subtle signs that someone finds you deeply attractive. You don't need to guess how someone feels about you. Attraction isn't just a vibe. It shows up in their behavior, their voice, and the tiny things that they don't even realize that they're doing. So let's walk through 7 subtle signs that someone finds you very attractive, starting with a few that you might not expect. Attraction isn't always flirtation or compliments or obvious praise. Here's what to look for. The first one is that their drink or their phone might slowly move closer to yours. This one is fascinating. If you're sitting across from someone at a table or a bar or a cafe, watch what happens to the objects in front of them. Their phone, their glass, their coffee cup. Without realizing it, people who feel emotionally or physically drawn to someone will slowly reduce the space between objects, and it mirrors their desire to reduce the space between you. Now, it's not always intentional. It's a subconscious way our body says, I want closeness. Number 2, their pupils dilate when they look at you. Pupil dilation is one of the most telling involuntary signs of attraction. When someone's interested, like truly interested, their eyes quite literally try to take in more of you. And if you catch that soft, wide-eyed look, that moment of pause while they're gazing at you, you're probably seeing a physiological response to their desire. Number 3, they touch you, even lightly. This could be just a gentle brush on your arm, a quick touch on your shoulder, or their hand lingering near yours just a little bit longer than necessary. In psychology, this is often called a testing touch, and it's a moment where the person is just mentally checking, does this feel good? Is there chemistry? Touch is one of the most primal and powerful forms of connection, and even casual contact, that can say a lot. Number 4, their voice subtly changes when talking to you. Pay attention to their tone. People tend to soften their voice when they're speaking to someone that they're attracted to. For men, this might mean lowering their pitch slightly, whereas for women, it often becomes warmer, lighter, and a little more expressive. It's not fake, it's instinctual. The nervous system responds to attraction by adjusting the vocal rhythm and the tone to be more emotionally engaging. Number 5, they might echo your words or phrases. This one's subtle, but it's so telling. If someone starts repeating the little words that you use, or they mirror your rhythm or your slang, it's a strong subconscious cue that they're trying to create rapport with you. We tend to sync with people that we like, and verbal mirroring is often the brain's way of saying, I want to be in harmony with you. Number 6, they'll ask deeply personal or future-oriented questions. Small talk fades when real attraction is present. Someone who's genuinely drawn to you, they'll start asking you things like, what's your dream job? Or where would you live if you could be anywhere? These aren't random. They're tests for compatibility. They're imagining what it might be like to be part of your world or to have you in theirs. 7, they delay saying goodbye. This is the one people rarely talk about, but it's such a tender giveaway. If someone likes you, they'll linger. They'll find little ways to keep the interaction going, even after the conversation could have ended naturally. Could be circling back to something that you said earlier or hesitating before they leave. That moment of delay is often the clearest sign. They're not quite ready to be apart from you yet.